So I've already like put the seeds for the mesh, or actually, have I meshed it? Yeah, I've already meshed two of the legs and the flange thing up here. Let me hide some of the parts. Uno momento.
No problem, bro. I'm working as fast as I can to catch up.
No worries. Okay, select multiple. Yeah. Okay. So I've already like meshed these, and the meshing isn't the hardest part. The only weird part's like making sure your spiders are correct, and then making sure your constraints are all like constraints and not forces.
Mhm.
So that's the main issue with that. So what I've done right now is I've constrained this part of the flange up here, this piece of the tie rod, and the foot of the leg. So this is meshed, this is meshed, this is meshed, and this is meshed. And if you see my analysis, this is how it moves.
Oh, you can wait, what the heck?
I've
You
constrained
you
the
can
tie
stay in
rod
the
thing here.
so what'd you do? Just put it pinned or something?
Yeah,
Or
I pinned it.
okay.
I'm gonna remove that though once I glue the tie rod to it. So let's cut the tie rod first. So,
Yeah, I'm gonna say much to the mirroring issue.
what's up, John?
Oh, how it mirrors and it doesn't work.
The mirror doesn't work. I would just email the professor and have him see if he can fix it for you, maybe. All right, let's defeature the tie rod end thing here so I can give a tutorial on it too. Okay, so let's select just this, make it the only thing visible, get rid of the meshes. Okay, so for this one, again, you can just do blend first, select it, it'll show you what's trying to remove. Okay, 21 blends to remove at one time. VTK failed to remove all surfaces at one time. So it'll fail on a couple of them, but you're only left with a few to actually fix once you're done with this. Okay, cool. So I got rid of the fillets on this portion, but you still got to worry about this side. But it's not too. Oh shoot. But it's not too complicated. It's just 10, or 5 on this side, 5 on the next side, and then the two chamfers. So surfaces, select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you have a nice line there. And then for this side, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then you can just do single surface removal for the chamfers. 1, 2. There you go. So yeah, this is as simple as geometry as you can possibly make it, unless you get rid of this hole, and then you can slim this down from this flat surface here.
Hmm.
But I want to keep the hole and continue with it. So let's keep it. So unselect from here, select solids, single item, turn everything else on. Okay, so now let's cut the geometry. Let me just make sure I'm in the right orientation. Oh, I didn't mean to get rid of. Whatever, it's fine. We can keep them. So, geometry, solid, slice, slice, match faces across slice with plane. Okay, and then select solid to slice. You want to slice this orange rod, and then you'll do method align to curve. Then the curve you pick to slice with is that hole that you made out of the chamfered hole from this bolt. So click OK, and now you see there's a blue teal highlighted line. Now you can hide this again and see that it's been sliced. So go to delete, geometry, solid, pick that end that it's been sliced off, and now it's going to be gone. So now you've shrunk your rod. Let's bring back the thingy, the end of the tie rod. So now you can glue it. So connect, automatic, this piece to this piece. Okay. leave the tolerance as is, face to face, glued, okay. And now they're glued. You can check that they're glued properly by checking the toggle button for the glue connections, or check in model info, connections, region 3-4, so that means part 3-4. So check to make sure that the glue is like, a good glue. So this shows the rod for element 4, and then element 3 shows the face of the bolt, but also the interior of the cylinder. You don't want the interior of the cylinder, so go to edit, and then see which faces are selected. So this is one that you don't want. This is one you don't want. You only want the face that's highlighted here. So okay, you're done with the editing.
So whenever I do it, I don't see the face.
Oh, it doesn't highlight for you?
No.
Click on the yellow highlighter thing up here, maybe, to show when selected.
Here, I'll show you what I see.
Sure.
Hope we don't ruin your video. I'll give you like 30 seconds.
No worries. I have 2 monitors, so I can just watch yours on.
I got it. Edit. Yeah, this is all I see with mine. With this.
I can't see what your edit says because you're only streaming your program.
Oh yeah, let me stream the whole screen then. You right. Okay.
Alright.
That mic doesn't count.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, it's because you haven't defeatured the thing yet and picked the entire geometry.
So I should defeature it first, then do the connector?
You can work with it actually. It's fine. So go to regions. No, so go to properties of connections, and then click on 1. Or you click 2, 1.
I'm not sure what line is.
I think your 2 is the rod and 1 is the bolt. So click on 1 and then edit 1. Wait, what?
Define connection properties? It's my regions, maybe?
Yours is way different than mine, because when I click on editing for mine, it shows this really small window connection.
No. Okay, I'm sorry. I went to properties, not regions.
Oh. Yeah, edit the regions.
So I'm not sure what the hell 1 is. Is 1 the bottom?
Yeah,
1's the bottom. Okay.
So click on 3. Yeah, that's the one you want to edit. So click on that surface, and it'll show which faces are highlighted. So delete the first 2.
First 2. Okay. So
you can, that subtraction. No, go back. So you see that? Yeah, there you go.
Gotcha. Thank you.
And then
not sure what that line is.
Get rid of that one too, actually, and pick a new face. So no, don't do delete. Click on the subtraction thing.
Subtraction. Sorry.
So now, where it says surface, click surface in that empty box, and then zoom in on it, and then pick the surface face of that bolt, or on the filleted, like inner circle thing. Yeah, hover your mouse a little bit higher. A little bit higher to the right. Yeah, there. You can pick that surface if you want.
Oh, the surface. You mean the one like all the way inside of here?
Yeah, no, it's not all the way inside. It's like right by the lip. That one. A little bit higher. That one.
Oh, okay.
And then pick the other side too. Yep, there you go. And now click OK, and that should be good to go as a glue. Just make sure you slice the rod though before you make a mesh. Yeah. So.
Yeah, I did slice the rod.
Okay, and then deleted.
I rushed up to it. Yeah, I deleted the inside part.
Okay, that's good. So yeah, this glue should work. Now you have a surface-to-surface contact because they're really close to each other.
Gotcha. Okay. Next, spiders. I think I had to delete my other one because I messed up too much.
Okay.
Spiders.
Mesh your
Sorry,
leg.
go ahead.
Mesh the legs and then create your spiders in between the elements.
Yeah, let me delete the feet. That's one problem I had is I was like trying to keep the feet, and then the mesh for it was like absolutely horrible. There must have been like 1,000 elements on there because of how the little bumps on it.
Jeez.
Yeah, it was not fun. Anyway, so we're gonna go mesh controls, U 0.25, mesh geometry solid U. Okay, it's gonna be 7. So your Young's modulus is like 7E11, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
okay.
7E9. 70 E9.
70 E9?
Yeah.
Well, because the Young's modulus is given in meters per second squared, meters squared, newtons per square meter, and then we're in centimeters. So I was thinking that you have to bring it up by a factor of 3.
Oh. I mean, my thing's been scaled 3.5 times, so mine's like 55 centimeters long. I'm just gonna use like the regular aluminum Young's modulus.
I'll use 10. I found one online that was 10. Okay, cool. Tetrahedral, cool. Okay, so I need to do the other legs, right? Let me start deleting other stuff. And then you said for the main body to make it, should I make the whole body one piece after I finish removing features or what?
Once you connect to a servo, start gluing individual pieces one at a time to the like from the body to the servo, just to make sure you can
Really?
break your analysis.
Hmm,
Because the
okay.
geometry gets really complex. If you haven't meshed properly, then you don't wanna add it until you finish that or fix the
Dude,
mesh.
that's a shit ton of work. Okay.
Yep.
All right. If you say if it works for you, then I'll do it that way. That's I will do what needs to be get done.
It works, just like you gotta be a little patient with it is all.
Yeah. So we're gonna do one at a time. So we're gonna do mesh control size U 0.25. Mesh